My name is Hamid. Today I'll explain Mica board or heat deflector on Wolf microwave. When your microwave gets over 5 or 7 years old, it starts arcing or sparking sometime. And if you let it sit, it's gonna damage the magnet one, and it's bad for the microwave too, for the cavity. So to stop the arcing and sparking before it happens, you want to replace your heat deflector or Mica board. This part is located on the top of the microwave inside. It's held by 3 screws, and it can stand up to from 500 to 1000 degrees. The temperature resistance on this the part is let me see here. Yeah, so it says general temperature resistance of Mica is 500 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you don't replace this Mica board every 5 to 7 years, what happens, that food particle sticks in here. This part is almost like a curtain between the microwave cavity and a magnet one. So over time you get food particles getting stuck in this, and it gets discoloration. Eventually it burns a small hole in there, and then from there it can damage the magnet one, and it can also arc into the cavity of the microwave. So if you don't replace this part, your $1,200 microwave or $600 microwave will go straight to the garbage, because once it starts getting arc inside of the cavity and the sparks inside there, you cannot use the microwave anymore, and the microwave is garbage. So this is a very important part. You need to replace it every 5 to 7 years. And again, it depends also on the use of the microwave, how often you use it. So if you stick your head inside of the microwave, kind of closer to it, look up, and you see this Mica board, sometimes they come in a circle shape. I've seen circle shape in melee microwaves a lot, and I've seen it maybe I've seen it in Wolf microwave, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. But this is important to replace. Look at it. If you got lots of food particles, if you can clean it easily without damaging this, it's kind of soft and very thin. I recommend replacing this.